I'm working here. We got rolling thunder. We got chickens. Yes, going crazy. A woodpecker. As of recording this, today is Saturday, March 21st, 2026. This is Truth Co-op coming to you from Asheville, North Carolina. Yeah, I was just out here working, and suddenly the thunder started popping off. Rolling thunder, doll, you hear it? Yeah. The chickens are going crazy, the turkeys were going crazy. So, there was a woodpecker. James is going crazy. Oh. All right. All right, everybody, keep up the good work. Make something beautiful today. One love and namaste.